Have you ever wondered if the app you use to split pizza and rent is about to become your actual primary bank? I've been using Venmo since the days when the social feed was just a wall of pizza emojis, but the updates hitting the platform in 2026 are shifting the game entirely. We are moving way beyond simple P2P transfers. The biggest change I've noticed is the rollout of Venmo Stash. It's their first always-on rewards program. In my experience, the tiered cashback is the real draw here. You start with 1% back on specific merchant bundles like Uber or Target, but if you set up auto reloads, it jumps to 2%. The kicker? If you're like me and decide to route your direct deposit, at least $500 a month, into Venmo, that cashback hits 5%. It's clearly designed to make you ditch your traditional debit card. Then there's the smart AI assistant. 2026 is the year of agentic payments. I've started seeing early versions of this where the app doesn't just show me a list of transactions, it actually predicts my spending. It can flag if a subscription price jumped or even help reconcile group tabs automatically without me having to pester my friends for the $12 they owe me from Tuesday. We also have to talk about the IRS reporting shift. This is the education part you need to stay on top of. Starting this year, the threshold for $1,099K reporting is officially down to $600 for goods and services. I've had to be much more careful about how I tag my payments. If you're selling a couch or doing freelance work, Venmo is going to track that once you cross that $600 mark. Make sure your friends and family tags are actually for friends and family, or you'll be dealing with some unexpected paperwork come tax season. Lastly, Venmo is finally separating itself from PayPal in a major way. On platforms like Shopify, you'll see them as two completely distinct payment options. This is part of their use case specialization strategy, making Venmo the go-to for social, quick-hit commerce, and circular economy stuff like buying second-hand gear or paying for microservices. It's a lot to keep track of, but the transition from a Pay Your Buddy app to a full finance ecosystem is officially here. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.